Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hello students, as per the given question, we need to find the z-score of age 22 and 23. So the z-score can be calculated by z is equals to x minus mu whole divided by sigma. So where x values and mu values and all the values are given, let us substitute them, which is 22 minus 21.35 divided by 1.76 is equals to 0.37. So this is z for 22 and the z for 23 is given as 23 minus 21.35 divided by 1.76, which gives the answer as 0.94. Then we look up to the z-scores in the standard normal distributions table or a calculator. We need to find the corresponding probabilities. So the probability value for this is equals to 0.37 is equals to 0.6443, and the z where it is 0.94, it is 0.8264. So now we need to find the percentage of students between 22 and 23. So we need to find the differences between these two values, which is 0.8264 minus 0.6443, which is equals to 0.1821, or we could say it as 18.2%. So therefore it is option E, which is 18.2%. And coming to the next, where we need to find the z-score for the sample mean of 22. So we have let us calculate for 22 minus 21.35 divided by 1.76 root 67, which is equals to 2.72. So the corresponding to this value, we have the z-score value as 0.9967. So however, we want to find the percentage of samples with a mean greater than 22. So we need to subtract the probability of 1 minus 0.9967, which is equals to 0.0033, or we could call it as 0.33%. So therefore the answer is not in the listed options, but the answer is 0.33%. I hope this video finds you helpful. Thank you.